things. I'm Andrew, thanks for joining me today. I'm getting a little bit behind with my big and little crochet projects. I've just not had time to do them, and I've got 4 books to share with you and an extra one. So book 38 is Back to School, which should have come, I guess, in August. It's got some lovely little things. You just have to excuse me, the people next door are making an awful noise. Yeah, so there's a slim pencil case there. It's quite cute. I love this little pen pot. I think it's really lovely. I'm going to definitely make that. And that cardigan is beautiful. Shows you how to do the spike stitch. Actually, the spike stitch is something you've seen me do recently a couple of times now. The book cover's really lovely. I like that. Actually, I love the idea of that, because sometimes you get a nice big hardback book and they're hard to carry around, you know, or to fit in your bag. So to have a little book bag, I mean, and then you can, if you make it sort of a standard size or a couple of sizes, you can swap that around, what's inside. I love that little rucksack. I think it's gorgeous. You could make it a bit more waterproof, couldn't you, by you could pop a little plastic bag inside, or you could make it out of a nylon to start with. There's a tablet case there, that's really cute. A yoga mat bag, I like that. That's also a great bag for a tripod. And I love that Inca style hat. I definitely am going to be following this pattern. Cascade Aran. That's really nice. I think I'll definitely be making that. It's that like quite granny squarey around here, but I do love that. And shaping is a little masterclass. And for the throw this week we have the Daisy Blue hexagon, which uses up the slate, some of the sky blue and some of the river. So, oops, I'll be using some of that as well. Then we've got book 39. I'm just going to go quickly through the 4 books and the extra one, and then I'm going to do the 4 hexagons separately. I'll probably do them in, I don't know, I might do them in 2. So this is Puffs and Bobbles. I love that. So here we go. Look at the throw. That's what we're making each time. We're making a part of that. So we're getting there now. Ruffled wrist cuffs. They're really popular, aren't they? So people can keep their hands warm but use their mobile phones. A tall bobble basket. I love that. That's really nice. I won't mind that for slippers in my hallway. Oh, for blankets in my lounge. Grey and pink puff cowl. That is beautiful. That just looks so soft. Might have to have a go at that one as well. That's how to do the puff stitch. A trio of bubble cushions. Aren't they pretty? Absolutely gorgeous. Chunky sleeveless cardigan. That looks lovely. That's nice and warm. How to do the bobble stitch. We've got 2 stitching master classes this time. Embellished yoke top. That's really pretty. I'm not too keen on the colour, but I think in a different colour. And flower puffs mat. How gorgeous is that? I love making flower puffs. I'll definitely show you how to make those. I've probably already shown you how to make those. And a colourful dog coat. Wow, I can make a coat for my little dog. I think this is for a small dog. And the throw, oh, look at that one. The Granny Rose hexagon. That should be pretty quick to make. That's using some of the blush yarn that's there. And then we've got book 40, book 40 come next. I also got another book holder. You get the stand that holds all the books. I got another one of those. With this lot. So because my other one's pretty full now. So I've got some of that river yarn. That's a gorgeous cardigan, that. That's lovely. Bright chevron scarf. Oh, I like that. I like the tassels on it as well. Colour block top. That's really nice as well. What's the Smart Designs? scalloped lace collar, if it takes your fancy. Puff rose, wide textured belt, it's quite nice. Oh, I like that. A rosette spiral bag, I bet that's quite easy to make as well. A wrapped felted hat. I'll have to have a go at felting. A cardigan with a bow waist, how pretty is that? That's gorgeous. And a military style jacket, which I think is absolutely beautiful. But lovely for work, it's really pretty. And the hexagon is just a straight river hexagon, which is, I thought this, oh yeah, I did say that was river, didn't I? I've got another one of these, same colour again, the sky blue. And these are baby gifts. These might be great for Christmas. So you've got a little sleepy cloud cushion. Oh, I love that. So cute. A bunny teether ring. So you buy those rings, don't you? Embellished bunting. That's really lovely, but of course be very careful where you put that in a nursery or a child's room. It's really pretty. I'll definitely have a go at some of that. I love it. It's just the triangles that are crocheted, and then they just add in lace and flowers and buttons. Really pretty. I do love that. Oh, look at that. Cute. A little crocheted camper van with button wheels. Definitely want to go with that. A newborn baby papoose. How lovely. How snuggly is that? Oh, look at that boucle jacket. You know, I started to make the bunny using this and I gave up because I didn't know where my stitches were. Oh, look at those cuties. So easy to make little booties like that. That little flower's gorgeous. The embellishments that change it. And a teddy bear blanket, that's pretty. Change the colours on that as well. That'd look nice for a little girl if it was white with little pink bears on. And then the masterclass is a double crochet spiral, which is always handy to know how to do because it just makes a really nice little candy stripe. And the ice crystal hexagon, which looks pretty straightforward. So that's that one. So lots of things for me to be getting on with there. And then also I got this book. They must have sent me an email and asked me if I wanted it or whatever, and I must have said yes. Because I loved the last book I got. This is, I think the last book I got was all sorts of creative craft projects. I think it was at Christmas. This is Crochet Club Tropicana, and I haven't even looked at this yet, so whatever you can see, I haven't even broke the spine on it, so whatever's in here is going to be news to me. So, oh, flower mats, they're gorgeous. Definitely spend the winter. Some people say, what use are they now? It's the summer's finished. Well, summer hasn't finished everywhere. Some places it's just starting, and some places it's summer all year round. And spend the winter doing your summer crochet, because you don't want to be sat crocheting in the summer. That's a massive shopping bag. That's beautiful. I think I'll definitely make that. Look at those cactus pin cushions. They're lovely cocktail coasters in all citrusy colours. They're fantastic. I love those. A long mesh scarf. That's lovely. Oranges and lemons bag. One of my most well, it is my most popular video on YouTube is where I make a mesh bag. I might try that one out, see how that one goes. I love that it's got the oranges and lemons on it. Lampshade decorations, and I'm not too keen on those. And I like that fruit basket, it's gorgeous. What I love about crocheted baskets is you can just throw them in the wash. Flowery flip-flops, that's just embellishing a pair of flip-flops. Nice beach bag there, it's lovely. And a lovely cushion, you might have seen I've made a cushion like that not so long ago. And then there's each pattern, tells you what you need and how to make it. And more lovely pictures. That's a great crochet book, I love it. very pleased with that. So obviously I'm preoccupied at the minute with getting on with Ben's beanies, but I am going to do my hexagons, and I'm going to do those as soon as possible. I might even start on one tonight. But thanks for joining me. I haven't gone away. I know I've not been around as much as usual, but things are starting to sort of even out a little bit now, and I'm finding a little bit of free time, me time, to do the things I enjoy doing, which is crafting, and as well as everything else that I do. So yeah, I am here, and I'm never going to disappear, and I am going to see this through to the end as well. So yeah, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you very soon to do the hexagon from, is it 38 that's next? Was that the one that was just the plain? Oh no, it was that one. Yeah, I might just grab my crochet hook and have a go at it now actually, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.